back up, atrás, atrás. Goes out. Forward. They have to cancel y los trae por los screens, ¿eh? Hey. Switch back there. Hey. 50-50. Or smoke. I need you to box out. There you go. Look up. Protect paint. Step up. Slide over. Good shot. Josiah, why is he getting rebound? Knock him out. Hey, I need you to box out one time, man. They're getting too many second chance opportunities. What's side? I need you to get feet. Right there, come up. Just there, communicate. All right, you see it? Read it early. Put your hands up. Goes out. So, side. You can't let him stand in front of you, man. He's not going to get that. Move the ball. He's right there. Let's go. Move the ball. Dos, tres. Hey, Kevin, come out. Kevin. Open up. Corners. Move the ball. Move the ball, there we go. Let's go.
Pop out, Bella.
On with the mid, man.
Back up.
On the ball. There you go. Ball's over there, you can shoot right here.
Get down.
Take a look, Selena. Take a look, Selena. Isaiah, Bella, make sure they're on opposite sides. Swing it. Hurry up.
The lobby is not ready.
Lob passing is not going to work. We're going to set this in the time. Good job on Biggs handling that. Making sure that Isaiah and our three on the outside, we got to be down in the middle, bringing up. We got to have two passing options out there. Jaden's getting that right now. Take a breather right now because we're working really hard. Stay on the court. I want you to bring the ball up a little bit, okay? Be ready for the pass immediately. You guys got it. She's going to get pressure right away. The ball right to you, okay? So come to a place where you can get the ball and then swing it to one of our bigs. Okay?
Yeah, I'm just going to switch on defense.
You're not coming in just yet.
They're going to try to get back to him and make yourself available.
You guys ready?
Yep.
All right, let's go. Come on. Get in there. Couple more minutes.
Oh, look, we got another one. We got another one. So, buddy.
Good. Come here. One for camp. Wait. One for camp.
That's it.
Let's get Jaden. Please. Jaden, come here. Jaden. Give yourself 2 minutes. Get some more. There we go. Hey, look at him. Guys up.